Okay, today is the day after taking the first video, and the toilet had been quiet all night, and then when I got up this morning, this green setup is leaking, and as soon as I flush it, it's going to stop. So I just wanted to make a record of it. Not sure where it's leaking from. Let me see if I can get it inside here. And then this one is also leaking. So, part 2. Now what I'm going to try to do is flush it and see if it solves the problem. Okay, so that stopped leaking. And now, just as I suspected, everything's all quiet and there's no leaking. But as time goes on, it's going to start leaking again. So, signing off for now.